Okay, let's start. Conversion formula is a two-way process. log को वैल्यू में कन्वर्ट कर देता है, वैल्यू को log में कन्वर्ट कर देता है. Now look here, this is log, base is b, number is n, and answer is x. So by conversion 7 बनेगा. देखो, this is 7. b raised for x is equal to n. So this is b raised for x equal to n. This is the conversion formula. अगर log वाले दे रखे होंगे तो हम उसको वैल्यू में बदल देंगे, वैल्यू वाले क्वेश्चन दे रखे होंगे तो उनको log में बदल देंगे. Now look here, this formula is the bridge between logarithm and numbers. This is a basic formula which can be used in all the questions of logarithms. We shall now use this in some examples. I am going ahead with the examples now. Look here, the examples are: number 1, find the value of log base is 2 root 5 and number is 1728. Now we have to convert it into the value. What is its value? You have to find the value of this. Look here, this is the question. Now we will use this formula, conversion formula, which I have written earlier. That formula, you know, it is written in the box here. It is written in the box. Base की power, b की power x is equal to n. Now here we want to find its value. Let the value be equal to x. Now apply 7 formula. This is 7 formula. Look here. b की जगह पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? 2 root 3. x की जगह पे x लिखा हुआ है, is equal to this. Look here, b की जगह क्या लिखा हुआ है? 2 root 3, उसकी पावर x is equal to 1728. Now it means 1728 should be expressed in terms of 2 root 3. लेफ्ट साइड 2 root 3 है और राइट साइड 1728 है. इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे इन टर्म्स ऑफ 2 root 3. So here are the factors. 1728, if we factorize it into prime factors, the factors are 2 raised to power 6 and 3 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 3 can further be expressed as root 3 raised to power 6. So both are power 6. 2 की पावर 6 है और रूट 3 की पावर भी 6 है, तो बन गया 2 root 3 का पावर 6. राइट हेयर दिस साइड 2 root 3 की पावर 6. लेफ्ट साइड भी 2 root 3 की पावर x लिखा हुआ है और राइट साइड पे 2 root 3 की पावर 6. इट मीन्स x is equal to 6. By comparison we get value of x equal to 6. Now let us go to the second question. Whenever you have to find the value, you put it equal to x. So we want to find the value of log cot 50 to the base 40. We want to find its value. By trigonometry we know tangent 40 is equal to cot 50. I have already told you while teaching the trigonometry, what is the fun here? को लगाओ 90 में से घटाओ. टेंजेंट के आगे को लगा दो, को टेंजेंट बन गया, इसको 90 में से घटा दो, 50 आ गया. सो नाउ वी विल कन्वर्ट इट. लुक हियर, दिस इज cot 50. अब 7 वाला फॉर्मूला लगाओ. टेंजेंट 40 की पावर x is equal to cot 50. So we have applied that conversion formula. Now tangent 40 is equal to cot 50. Tangent 40 की जगह cot 50 या cot 50 की जगह tangent 40 लगा सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या लगाया है? Cot 50 की जगह पे cot 50 is equal to tangent 40. So we have put it tangent 40. So this is tangent 40 raised to power 1. This is tangent 40 raised to power x. By comparison, we get the value of x equal to 1. Now let us go to few more examples. Find the value of log 0.4 bar. Base is 2.25. Base is 2.25. Now put it equal to x. Apply the conversion formula, that is satta formula, 7 वाला formula लगा दो. So 2 raised to power 25 raised to power x is equal to 0.4 bar. Now how to convert 4 bar into rational form? 4 के ऊपर बार लगा है. इस बार को आप मान लो अम्ब्रेला है. अम्ब्रेले के नीचे एक आदमी खड़ा है. छाता हटाओ, डिनोमिनेटर में 9 लगाओ. देखो छाता हटा दिया, 4 रह गया, नीचे 9 लगा दो. दिस इज द शॉर्ट वे ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग द repeating decimal. Now let us put this here. Value of x is 4 by 9, and now put it here. This is 9 by 4 की power x. This is 4 by 9. 4 by 9 can be written as 9 by 4 की power minus 1. उल्टा कर दो, पावर माइनस में आ जाएगी. नो कंपैरिजन, यहाँ भी 9 by 4 है, यहाँ भी 9 by 4 है. यहाँ पे x है, यहाँ -1 है. सो x इज इक्वल टू -1. ऑन कंपेरिजन वी गेट x इक्वल टू -1. नाउ लेट अस गो टू 2 more questions. Find the value of x. Here it is written log base is x is equal to 4. So apply that satta formula or conversion formula or the basic formula. x raised to power 4 is equal to 81. अब आपको देखना है 81 किसकी पावर 4 होता है? 3 की पावर 4. सो दिस इज पावर 4, दिस इज पावर 4. पावर इज इक्वल टू पावर, बेस विल बी इक्वल टू बेस. x इज इक्वल टू 3. x इज इक्वल टू 3. नाउ लेट अस गो टू द लास्ट वन. It is, you have to find the value of x. Question is log x to the base 9 is equal to 2.5. Now apply the satta formula here. 9 raised to power 2.5 is equal to x. Now this 9 can be written as 3 raised to power 2, and 2.5 is 5 by 2. This 2 will be cancelled up. So 3 raised to power 5 is equal to 243. So x will be equal to, x is equal to 243. This is the answer. Now this part is over. So I have told you how to use the conversion formula which I told you in the previous video. Now we will go ahead. Do you know how many types of logarithms are there? There are of 2 types. Number 1, they are common logarithm, and other is natural logarithm. Common logarithms के अंदर बेस 10 होता है और नेचुरल लॉगरिथम में बेस e होता है. सो वी हैव टू बी वेरी क्लियर. जो लॉगरिथम टेबल्स आपको बुक्स के अंदर दिए गए हैं, दैट इज कॉमन लॉगरिथम. और जो कैलकुलस के अंदर डिफरेंशिएशन इंटीग्रेशन में जो लॉग यूज होता है, वहाँ पे बेस e यूज होता है. तो वहाँ पे लॉग को बोलते हैं लॉग ln. तो वी कैन फाइंड वैल्यूज ऑफ लॉग by using the log tables which were being used 400 years ago. They were using the log tables for complex calculations. Now the value of E is equal to approximately equal to 2.7182, and it has been derived from this formula. E raised to power x is equal to 1 plus x over x square over 2 factorial plus x cube over 3 factorial and so on up to infinity. If you put x equal to 1, left side will become e ki power 1, means e. E will be equal to, when you put x equal to 1, it will approximately come to 2.7182. So this is used in calculus as a base. Hope you have understood how we can convert, how we can use the conversion formula and how many types of logarithms are there. And we will continue the show in our next series of logarithms. Thank you. Thank you very much. Good night. Please share it, like it, and subscribe it. Tell your friends that there is a fun going on with logarithms. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good night.